Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the mesmerizing world of mirror flash photography. This technique isn't just a trick of the light, it's a creative journey that transforms ordinary moments into extraordinary visuals. Whether you're a budding photographer or a seasoned pro, understanding mirror flash can elevate your photography game to new heights. Mirror flash, at its core, is a photography technique involving the use of reflective surfaces, like mirrors, to redirect light toward the subject. This can create stunning effects, highlight details, and add a dramatic touch to your photos. It's all about playing with light and shadows to achieve that perfect shot. Let's break down the science behind mirror flash. When light hits a mirror, it reflects at the same angle it arrives. By strategically placing mirrors, you can manipulate light to illuminate your subject in unique ways, creating depth and dimension that standard lighting setups might not achieve. Equipment you need: a camera, DSLR, mirrorless, or even your smartphone. A mirror or multiple mirrors for complex setups. External flash, optional depending on your light source. Creativity and patience. Setting up your first mirror flash shot. 1. Find your light source. Natural light works wonders, but don't shy away from artificial lights either. 1. Position your mirror. Experiment with angles. The goal is to direct light toward your subject in a flattering way. 1. Test and adjust. Take test shots. Adjust the mirror and your subject's position until you achieve the desired effect. Output: creative applications. Portraits with a twist. Use mirror flash to add a glow to your subject's face or create intriguing shadows. Abstract art. Play with shapes and reflections to create abstract photography. Enhanced product photography. Highlight the features of a product with precise lighting. Tips and tricks. Use multiple mirrors. For more complex lighting, incorporate several mirrors to bounce light around your scene. Experiment with distances. Changing the distance between your light source, mirror, and subject can dramatically alter the effect. Safety first. Be mindful of where the light is directed to avoid discomfort or harm. Mirror flash photography is more than a technique. It's a gateway to exploring the boundless possibilities of light and reflections. With practice and experimentation, you'll unlock new creative potentials and bring an added depth to your photography. So grab your camera, find a mirror, and let the magic unfold. If you've found these insights into mirror flash photography helpful, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more photography tips and tricks. Until next time, keep capturing the beauty around you.